Welcome to our class. Now we are going to see the topic as froth flotation process. This topic in metallurgy in 12th chemistry, first unit. The froth flotation process commonly used to metal sulfide ores. Example: copper pyrite CuFeS2, zinc plant ZnS, galena BBS, etc. The sulfide ores are very lighter than impurities. That's why we choose this sulfide ores for froth flotation process. We consider one beaker. The powdered form of ore mixed with water make it into solution. It is ore solution. This ore solution addition with collectors or surfactants, then stirred by using one fan. Stirred with the fan, it forms a foams. These foams are float on the surface. We collect these foams to another container. We collect these foams in another container, drained under sunlight, we get the pure ore. This is the froth flotation process. This process won't take place on some steps for that. First one is frothers, second one froth stabilizers, third one surfactants or collectors, fourth one depressants or activating agent. Frothers which help to take froth. Example: pine oil, camphor oil, eucalyptus oil, which help to take froth. When we add this frothers to the ore solution to form a foams, that's why the frothers which help to take froth. So frothers is used to take froth. Second one, froth stabilizers. When form foams, that will convert solution quickly. That's why we need to add froth stabilizers. Example: aniline and cresol, which can increase life period of froth. So the froth quickly convert to solution. That's why we need froth stabilizers. Third one, surfactants and collectors. Surfactants or collectors. Surfactants used to, it helps to collection of froth. Collectors, it helps to absorption of ore particles on surface of froth. Example: sodium ethyl xanthate or sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium ethyl xanthate structure is C2H5 O C double bond S minus Na plus. It is the structure of sodium ethyl xanthate. Sodium ethyl xanthate has two parts. One is hydrophobic part, another one is hydrophilic part. So, non-polar part, this is a polar part. Non-polar part mean hydrophobic part. Hydrophobic part, it is hydrophilic part. Hydrophilic mean water loving part, hydrophobic mean water hating part. So sodium ethyl xanthate has two type of parts. One is non-polar, is a hydrophobic, another one polar is a hydrophilic part. So ore particle, we consider the polar or hydrophilic part as A. We consider the hydrophobic part as B. So the ores are hydrophilic in nature. So the hydrophilic nature of ore particle attracts hydrophilic part of sodium methyl xanthate. So the hydrophilic part towards ore, the hydrophobic part away from the ore. When addition of the sodium methyl xanthate on the surface of ore, the hydrophilic part towards ore, the hydrophobic part away from the ore. This attraction like this. Now the ore particles are surrounded by B part. B part means hydrophobic nature. So now the ore particle covered by this hydrophobic particle. So this ore particle convert to hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic in nature. Now originally the ore particles are hydrophilic in nature. Now adsorption of the sodium methyl xanthate. The sodium methyl xanthate convert this ore particle to hydrophobic in nature. So hydrophobic means water hating nature. So it is insoluble in water. So using of the surfactants or collectors, the ores are converted to hydrophobic in nature. So water repellent. So water repellent means to form a foams. This is a surface. This is on float on the surface to form a foams. That's why we add the surfactants and collectors. Then fourth one, depressants are activating agent. Depressants mean it can decrease flotation of ore particles. Activating agent, it can increase flotation of ore particles. Example, depressants, aqueous sodium cyanide. Activating agent, copper sulfate. When addition of, if sulfide ore of a metal contains other metal sulfide as impurities, so we add depressing agents. Example, zinc sulfide attached with lead sulfide. So zinc sulfide contains 5%, lead sulfide is 95%. The 5% is impurity. Lead sulfide 95% available, so it's a ore. Another one example, suppose the zinc sulfide addition with this lead sulfide, the zinc sulfide available in 95%, lead sulfide available in 5%. So the lead sulfide here, lead sulfide is the impurity. Which one has less percentage? That is impurities. So the two sulfide ores, one is the impurity, another one is the ore. That's time we need the depressants and activating agent. So we add aqueous sodium cyanide. The sodium cyanide react with zinc sulfide to form a adduct or complex Na2 certain CN4 sodium zincate. Now the lead sulfide on the surface. Zinc sulfide convert to complex, insoluble complex. The lead sulfide free on the surface. Then addition with copper sulfate, the zinc sulfide will free from this compound. So first the complex to form addition with depressants. So the depressant, it can decrease the flotation of ore particles. Second time we add activating agent. It's a depressants. It's a activating agent to increase the flotation of ore particles. Thank you.